Let us will continue the some reactions. First, already we have discussed about addition of HCN and sodium bisulfite. Third reaction is addition of Grignard reagent. This is already discussed in alcohols and phenols ethers chapter. Once again, how Grignard reagent is added to aldehydes or ketones. Generally, first I will take general equation C double bond O plus RMgX. In presence of ether, there is an intermediate form which on hydrolysis, this intermediate on hydrolysis giving definitely the product as alcohols. Okay, how the reaction is taking place? Pi bonded to oxygen, it becomes plus and R is donated electrons to carbon. Therefore, C R bond and remaining is, this is Mg plus plus O minus X minus balanced by that plus and minus valencies. Now on hydrolysis, this is H plus on O minus becomes OH, remaining are as it is, and Mg there are 2 plus plus, hence 1 is satisfied by 1 plus and remaining is said to be OH minus. General equation, I will take example. Instead of R is equal to CS3 and X is equals to Cl. Example is aldehyde, that is formaldehyde. Its formula is HCHO. HCHO, or its UPAC name is methanol and end name is Al. Grignard reagent used is methyl magnesium chloride, or you can take bromide also. Now it becomes intermediate like that. ये change ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ instead of R is CS3, okay, and X is Cl. As it is ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತೈತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is CS3 CH2OH, CS3 CH2OH, primary alcohol. Generally alcohol ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಬರೇ ಫಾರ್ಮಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ primary alcohol. Primary alcohol meaning is the carbon which is containing 2 hydrogen and 1 OH. Come to the second example. That example I have taken is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is common name. IUPAC name is ethanol. Okay. Convert ethanol to what is the product there? This is methyl magnesium chloride. Again I use same the reaction mechanism is carried out. That is carbon ಗೆ H ಐತಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ CS3 ಐತಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ CO MgX, remaining is instead of R I have used is CS3, and on hydrolysis it is giving H plus OH minus, remaining is O ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಲತ್ತೈತಿ H substitute ಆಗಿ OH ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತೈತಿ, H CS3 as it is, R ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಏನು ಬಂದೈತಿ CS3. Hence this is said to be carbon containing 1 hydrogen called as secondary alcohol. Its name is said to be, there are totally how many carbon atoms are there? 1 2 3 1 2 3 on carbon to OH. Therefore its name is propane to oil. Propane to oil. Okay, IUPAC name is propane to oil, or it is an example of secondary alcohol. That means acetaldehyde is used, product is propane to oil. Convert unto kilobode. Third is said to be, I have taken or used here is acetone. Its name is acetone. Acetone common name, IUPAC name is propanol. How it is propanol? 1 2 3 on carbon to ketone functional group. Hence it is propane to ONE, propane to ONE. Okay, methyl magnesium chloride. ikkade enu change ಮಾಡ್ತಲ್ಲ as it is ಇಟ್ಟಿವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ OMgX as it is ಅದೇ ತರ X ಜಾಗದಾಗ Cl ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ, R ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಏನೈತಿ CS3 ಐತಿ, on hydrolysis ಏನು ಕೊಡತೈತಿ, it gives, that is by product CS3 as it is, O is minus, H is plus, OH, now it becomes R is nothing but CS3. This is carbon containing no single hydrogen atom, hence it is called as tertiary alcohol. What type of tertiary alcohol it is? 1, 2, 3. On carbon to CS3. 1, 2, 3. Carbon to CS3. Carbon to OH. Hence it is said to be propane. 2 OL. You know. But on carbon 2 what is there? It is nothing but methyl. 2 methyl propane to OL. 2 methyl propane to OL. Like that. Aldehydes and ketones, they are added to Grignard reagent, or Grignard reagent is added to aldehydes and ketones. Some most familiar reactions already they are repeated. Come to know, there are 2 more additions. One is said to be addition of alcohols to aldehydes. That 4th reaction, addition of alcohols to aldehydes. Okay, aldehydes formula is R CHO. Okay, aldehydes formula is RCHO. Now, the explanation I will take along the reaction. This is reversible one. Monohydric alcohol in presence of dry HCl gas. Monohydric alcohol in presence of dry HCl gas. It becomes, this is definitely you know that minus, a minus ige idu OH minus R plus agibirtೈತಿ is attached, it becomes C, H as it is, and this R as it is, or simply you can take R, remaining is O R and carbon is plus, therefore it is OH. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ನಾವು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇದು ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ alkoxy alcohol. Alkoxy alcohol. Alkoxy alcohol, or it is called as hemiacetal. Hemiacetal. Okay. This is one step. Now I will take the same is carried out. Monohydric alcohol and dry HCl gas. What the change is taking place here? There is elimination of water. This is OH minus R plus. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ O minus H plus OH minus combine ಆಗಿ H2O eliminate ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. And remaining is said to be, I will take this is C, R as it is, and H as it is, OR and OR dash. This product is known as acetal. This product is known as acetal. How acetal is formed? Take aldehyde. That aldehyde adds one monohydric alcohol in presence of dry HCl gas. How the mechanism is carried out, you know already. Now there is one intermediate called as alkoxy alcohol or hemiacetal. ಇವೆರಡು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಐತಿ, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ OR ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ is plus, therefore that OH is attached to this carbon or bonded to carbon. Similar way, next is further one more monohydric alcohol adds or treated. It is H plus OH minus, elimination of water, R plus is on O minus, therefore the product is said to be finally acetal. Okay. If you are taking some other examples, instead of R you have to take CS3 and complete that reaction. I will continue in this case. Next one is addition of alcohol to ketones. Addition of alcohol. ಇದು alcohol ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈಹೈಡ್ರಿಕ್ alcohol to ketone. Ketones formula already you know that. I write the similar way R ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ as it is ಇಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. Group is generally RR. Condition is said to be ethylene glycol. Formula I will write ethylene glycol in this way. CH2 CH2 CH2OH CH2OH. Name is ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. There is definitely elimination of water molecule. There is cyclic compound formed. It is called as ketone. C as it is, R as it is, and this is O minus ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. H plus O minus. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ this carbon is said to be got plus sign, hence it is O. CH2. Next is O. CH2. This is a cyclic form. This, when you use mineral acid like HCl, again this ketone is converted into respect to ketones. Ketone is converted into respect to ketones. Therefore, these are said to be the addition of alcohols to aldehydes and ketones. When alcohols, monohydric alcohols added to aldehyde acetal, dihydric alcohols are added to ketones, products are said to be ketones. Okay. Suppose ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಿನರಲ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ aldehydes ketones ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಕೇಸಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ. Hence the reactions are represented as reversible. Okay. So we'll complete today up to this, and next I will give one table and you have to complete those reactions in home very neatly. They are said to be somewhat important. Okay, thank you.